The word wet in a wet martini refers to the amount of vermouth used. The more vermouth, the wetter it is. To make this wet vodka martini, you will need 20 ml of bianco vermouth. We are using Regal Rogue Lively White. Have it chilled, but in the fridge and not the freezer because it will freeze. 40 ml of chilled vodka, which can be kept in the freezer. We're using Ketel One vodka. 2 dashes of orange bitters, some really good ice, a jigger, a julep strainer, a chilled mixing glass, a chilled martini glass, and a grapefruit twist. To start, you want your garnish prepped and ready to go. Add your orange bitters, vermouth, and ice cold vodka to your mixing glass. Fill it up with as much ice as possible and stir it by putting the back of your bar spoon against the inside of your mixing glass and pushing the ice around. Because there's more vermouth in this cocktail, it's a little bit less strong to begin with, so it takes a little bit less dilution than a dry martini. Use a julep strainer to hold back the ice and strain your martini into your chilled martini glass. To finish, grab your grapefruit twist and give it a sharp fold over the top of your cocktail so that it expresses all of its lovely aromatic oils. Give it a good twist and pop it on the side of the glass. A wet vodka martini. So now you know.